Okay, this is page 2. On page 2, it says build 2 different structures with the following volumes using your unit cubes. Then draw one of the figures on the dot paper. One example has been drawn for you. So A has already been drawn for you, so you just need to draw B and C. Now, I can do any cube I want to do. I know it's a little tricky to draw the cubes, but what you would do is you would connect the dots just like that. Okay, so maybe I want to make 1 cube. That's what 1 cube looks like. Then I want to make 2 cubes. That's 2 cubes. Maybe I want to make 3 cubes. That's 3 cubes. So we need to make 7 cubic units. So you can build it up or you can just go straight across. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, some of your pictures might be different, but that is 7 cubic units. Now, the other side asks you to build 8 units. So I can try building up or I can, build one on top. That's up to you. So I'm going to try. This is pretty hard to do actually. So this is 1 cube, right? And then if I want to make another cube on top, what I'm going to have to do is actually extend this. Trying to make sure I'm doing this. Oh, how about I do it like this? Let me start over. So what I can do is I can go 1, 2, and then I can draw 1, 2. Okay, so that's 2 right there. And then I go straight across. So that's 2. 4, 6, and the last one is 8. Now, if you're having trouble drawing it, it's okay. I just want you to understand that, each one is a cube. So this is 1 cube, 2 cubes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I drew 8 cubic units. And on this one, I drew 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I'm going to move down to problem 3. Joyce says that the figure below, made of 1 centimeter cubes, has a volume of 5 cubic centimeters. Explain her mistake. So I need to make sure that I explain, and when I say explain, it is asking me to write a sentence. Okay, I'm looking at this figure right here, and I see 1 cube right here, so this is 1. And I see another one right here, 2. I see another one right here, 3. I see one right here, 4. And then I see this one, 5. So that's what she thought. But if you look at this cube, it is up, right? It is on top. So that means there's a bottom cube on the bottom that you can't see in this picture, but it's there. So that means that there are actually 6 cubes, right? So I'm going to write Joyce is not counting the cube that's on or below the top cube. So it is hidden. You can't really see it. Okay. Now problem 4. No, this is problem B. So it continues to talk about that problem. Problem B. Imagine if Joyce adds to the second layer so the cubes completely cover the first layer in the figure above. What would be the volume of the new structure? Explain how you know. So she adds a second layer to the cubes to completely cover the first layer. So all these cubes right here, right? So if I were to erase all of that so you can see more clearly, all these cubes right here would have a second layer. okay? So what I could do is I could multiply it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom layer. They're not counting this one. This one's already there. They're asking, what if you fill this cube right here, and then this front cube right here, another cube right here, another cube right there. So you are only counting the bottom layer, and we know there's 5 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that bottom one, 5, right? So I'm going to multiply 5 centimeters cubed times 2, which equals to 10 centimeters cubed. So the volume would be 10 centimeters cubed. So I counted the first layer, and then multiplied by 2. Okay, I'm going to pause right here because if my videos are too long, it actually takes forever to upload.